What is up, guys? Skinny Deputy back here again with another product review from LA Police Gear. So today we have got the LA Police Gear XWL Tactical Strobe Weapon Light. So we'll go ahead and open this thing up and we can get into the product review. So this weapons light comes in at about $60, I believe. I just picked it up and I think shipped to my house it was $75 or something, just with shipping and everything. So I really just needed a weapons light for my Glock 19, and so this is the one that I picked. I wanted to see how it was, and really it looked like it mirrored the Streamlight TLR1, and so wanted to see if this was a good competitor to it and do a review on it. So we will go ahead and put these batteries in here. It comes with two CR123 batteries, and so that's super helpful. So this weapons light has a max lumen of 800 lumens, which is incredible. We'll look into doing a type of test with see how bright it is and everything like that. All right, let's see here. Let's go ahead and get these in here. All right, so it's got basically the momentary on, where you can hold it down or you can double tap it, and that basically strobes it. So you can have the on, and it's got the paddle just like a TLR1. I mean, this thing is, I would call, identical to a TLR1 from Streamlight, and it's made out of I believe it's aluminum alloy, and so super hardy stuff. Let's get my Glock 19 real quick and just see how it fits on it. Obviously got a clear and unloaded weapon, so let's see here. Need to loosen this just a little bit more. But overall, this weapons light looks very nice. So it fits nice and snug on there. It feels very good. So this is what it looks like on a Glock 19. Nice and snug. Everything looks very nice, and yeah, overall looks like a great weapons light system. I'll have to do about maybe a 6-month review with this weapons light once I keep it on here for a little bit and see how I like it. But honestly, these weapons lights are so important whenever you have a firearm that you either carry every day or keep it by your bedside, because the last thing that you want to do is have your firearm in one hand and a flashlight in the other, and having to manipulate your firearm and flashlight whenever you're trying to clear your house, or there might be an intruder and things like that. It makes it so much easier when you can have your firearm and have the weapon on there, because obviously where your weapon is pointed, you want that to be illuminated. So we will try this out, see how it works, and I'll give you all an update. If y'all have any questions, as always, put those in the comments below, and I'll put a link to this product in the description below too. So as always, y'all have a great day.